So there, if you put your tester light on the positive side, let's put it like this, and you check on this wire, you realize the earth wire is coming from here. It's coming from here. I disconnect the distributor. Now there's no earth here. There's no earth here. See, the tester is off. The tester is on the positive side. So if I switch it to the negative side, you'll see the power is coming on there now. It means that the shock is coming from the distributor. We have to open the distributor to see why it's making a short. Let's open one screw. 1, 2, I think it's 3 screws. And do it. Let's take out the battery first. Let's take out the battery to have a space. Let's take out the battery to have a space. And then we open this screw. Morning.
Right.
I'm okay, and you?
Good.
Let's take out this one. Something flat. Oh, this thing is very tight because it bent out. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay, let's break it one time out. Okay, let's take out the coil and then we can have a better view inside. As you can see inside, the wire that comes from getting on the distributor is getting in here, and the second one comes in this side, and you can see the condenser. The condenser is completely melt, means that it was hot and then got melted. So I don't know if we need to change the whole distributor or we need to change the condenser only. Let's take out the coil and check out if the short is still there or it's gone. Let's put back the battery also and check if the short is still there or it's gone. Also, we will have to check if the distributor is rotating or not. See, the short is gone. So the short is coming from the condenser, as you can see. The short is coming from the condenser. Let's swing the car and see let's swing the car and see if the distributor is turning. Yes, the distributor is turning, but the battery is flat. The mango distributor is turning, but the battery is flat. Okay, so what we have to do here is to change the condenser and take it from there and see if the spark will come back on and all this. This is our condenser. You can see how it look like. So to take it out, you just have to take out this screw here on top, one screw here on top, and then you take out this screw. The condenser came out. So we take out the condenser, we plug back the distributor. The short is gone, the power is coming here on the injectors. We didn't put the cover yet. We didn't put the condenser also. We are going to start now and see if the spark is coming. First, let's get another battery. So now we put another battery, as you can see. Let's start it and see if the spark is coming first. Try again. Okay. No spark coming. Let's see if the rating is coming. Try again. Powerful. Okay. The rating for the injector is coming, but the spark is not coming. I don't know if it's because we take out the distributor. flash on. This module box also look like it's finished. Okay, switch off the car. You can see inside there we have a small like a coil, and that coil is open. We have two, one on this side, one on that side. It's like it's broken the wire inside there, so we have to change the whole distributor. There's no other way. I think we have to change the whole distributor.